In the serene neighborhoods of the Acton area, an unseen menace lurks beneath the surface, threatening the comfort and safety of our homes: sewer system backups. This daunting issue, one of the most distressing plumbing challenges, arises from deep-seated clogs, invasive tree roots, or damaged sewer lines. Beyond the immediate mess and foul odors, sewer backups pose serious health hazards and often come with a hefty price tag for repairs. But there's no need for despair. Residents of the Acton area, you have the power to turn the tide against this underground turmoil. By calling 888-501-1193, you'll enlist the aid of qualified plumbing professionals ready to tackle even the most formidable sewer system challenges. Act now to safeguard your home, your health, and your peace of mind from the threat of sewer system backups.